Hello, everyone. My name is João. I'm one of the co-founders of Podsqueeze, and this is a quick walkthrough of our main features and how they can help you repurpose your podcast content and promote it across social media. So once you sign up to the platform, you will get to this dashboard, and this is where you can access all your converted content and organize it within different folders. So you can have folders for different podcasts or different seasons or different themes, and this is important because each folder can have its own voice personalization. But I'm going to show you this in a bit. For now, let's just convert an audio or video by pressing this button here. And here you'll find three options. You can search for your podcast name and see all episodes and select one or multiple episodes. You can also batch convert multiple episodes. You can upload the audio or video file. You can drag and drop your files here or just fetch your content directly from a YouTube link. Now, once you have added your video or audio files here, you must select the episode language and select an existing folder or create a new one. And you can give this folder a voice by clicking here. And here you can give Podsqueeze some more context on how you want it to write your show notes. So, for example, you can ask Podsqueeze to write your show notes in first person. You can describe your audience and so on. Here you can add different words. So, for example, names of people. I'm just going to add the name of my co-founder. To fix transcript misspells. So sometimes transcript gets names of people or more abstract or technical words wrong. So you can add all of those words here. Then you upload and you generate your content. So once your episode finishes processing after a few minutes, you will get to this results page. And here you'll find three tabs rather. The written content, video clips and images, and the AI audio enhancement. Here on the written content, by default, Podsqueeze will always generate for every episode that you convert a full transcription where you can play each segment and also access the SRT file for accurate subtitles. You'll have your show notes or episode description. You'll find timestamps with chapters, some title suggestions, links and mentions. So these can be books, authors, products, so resources that could be interesting to add to your resources section in the show notes. Some keyword ideas, a blog post, newsletter, short Facebook posts, tweets, quotes, bullet points. But let's say that you wanted to create a specific type of content, a specific content that you always use for this particular podcast. For example, titles with a specific structure or a LinkedIn post with a specific tone. You can come here at custom result. And here you can describe how you want this piece of content to be written. You can call it my LinkedIn post, for example. Describe how you want this post. You can even paste here some examples of previous posts that you have written manually, and you apply. And Podsqueeze will generate this content for you. So I've used this prompt here. And now the cool thing is that every time that you upload an episode to this podcast folder, Podsqueeze will always generate this content for you. So you don't have to ask it every time. So this means that you can have your own collection of content that always runs automatically for every podcast folder that you have on your dashboard. Now for the video clips and images, you can just click here, this tab in the middle, and you'll find three different buttons. The first one is our clip maker. The second one, AI shorts and the quote images. So let's check out our clip maker. So in our clip maker, you can create any clip from any moment of the episode. And the way to do this is very simple. This is a mix of AI and also some manual work to give you more flexibility when choosing the right segment that you want to create a clip from. So the way this works is you select a chapter here. You select a chapter from your episode. Then you can play your clip.
Lifestyle. If you are, for instance, a doctor or a judge,
And as you play the clip, it will highlight the current subtitle. And you can add this clip by simply erasing your section. So, for instance, let's say that you wanted this clip to finish right there at escape it. You can just erase this segment here, enter the subtitle, even remove words. And as you remove words, it will also trim the video.
you can escape its lifestyle. If you are
If you want to extend this clip, you can also add 30 seconds from the previous chapter or from the next chapter. Once you are happy with the clip, you just export the clip. Now, you'll probably want to personalize this layout to give it your own branding. So in this case, I'm going to create a vertical video. I can just come here to edit layout. And here you can just drag the different elements, replace images, change colors, and so on. Now I have created my layout here. Once I'm happy with the layout, I can apply it and I can keep editing my video and exporting new clips. Now, if you are happy with this layout and you want to use it for the next videos that you convert, you can just save the current template and it will save this layout for easy access in the future. Now, Podsqueeze is creating audiograms here because the file uploaded was an audio-only podcast. But if you upload a video, Podsqueeze will generate clips
I'm really
like this
passionate
one.
about entrepreneurship. So this is like a craft that I want to master. I want to learn everything.
So this was our clip maker that has all the flexibility to create any clip of any length from any segment of your podcast episode. But if you want AI short clips and you want this to be selected by AI and edited by AI, so you don't have to do anything, you can just click here, AI short clips. Now here on the AI short clips, the interface is similar, but instead of choosing a whole chapter, you just select here different videos to be exported. So these videos have been selected by AI. They should include an interesting insight or an appeal to emotion. So an interesting piece of content that typically works well on social media. And these clips will always begin at the beginning of a sentence or at the beginning of an argument. And will also finish at the end of a sentence. So this should be edited and ready to go. You can still edit the layout. You can add your own music from this library here and just export the clip. And finally, you have the quote images. So here in the quote image, all you have to do is select the quote here. So these quotes are automatically pulled by AI. You choose your favorite template, you edit the colors, the fonts, upload your own images, and you export your image. And here on the AI audio enhancement, you'll find 3 buttons. The improved audio quality will compress your audio, equalize microphones, it will remove reverb, remove background noise, clicking sounds, and all that stuff. The button in the middle will not only improve your audio quality, but also remove filler words and long silences. And here you can add your own intro and outro. So these are the main features of Podsqueeze that help you repurpose your podcast content. There are a bunch of other stuff here on Podsqueeze to explore, but to keep this video short, I wanted to focus on these main ones. So if you have any questions, any feedback, feel free to send us an email to team@podsqueeze.com or just reach out here on the support chat. Bye-bye.